Okay, since some people want to believe that there isn't math involved in the gloving, I'm gonna basically like debunk everything that people think right now. There is math involved in the gloving for in many different ways. We're either creating shapes, working off of a grid, or we're using the golden ratio in our hands. Some of us don't see it that way, but you're actually doing it. So if most people know what the golden ratio is there's a mathematical equation, or more so of a sequence, but there's math within the sequence. So the sequence starts off at 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, so on and so forth. Now where the math comes in is you take the number, you take the starting number with the next number, you add the two together to create the next number in sequence, and so on and so forth. So for instance, 0, 1, so 1 plus 0 equals 1, which creates the next number. Then 1 plus 1, which equals 2. Then 2 plus 1, which equals 3. So the way that that fits in our hands is 1 plus 1 equals 2. These two knuckles are the same length as this knuckle right here. Now, 1, okay, now, so technically, if these three equal 3, because 1 plus 1 equals 2, all right, so 1 and 1, so it's going to be the same length as your hand, okay? Your hand is going to be this, or your entire hand is going to be the same length as your forearm. Now, everybody knows that, technically speaking, the human body is symmetrical in many different ways, okay? But that's all because of the golden ratio, which is all math. Therefore, when you're sitting there thinking up tech, and you're fitting your shapes together, or you're doing a little path, or you're doing your little pass throughs, even though you're not thinking about it as math, it's math, my friend. It's all math.